Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing you how you can make money on this Poppo Live. And then you can potentially earn 109 USD per day. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn online by live streaming, receiving gifts, or referring friends, this tutorial is for you. So here guys, I'll break everything down step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. So we will cover here what is Poppo Live, ways to make money on this app, how to withdraw your earnings, and then here guys. So what is Poppo Live? So here, this is a live streaming platform where users can broadcast themselves, interact with the viewers, and earn money through virtual gifts. So you can also chat, join party rooms, and refers others to earn extra rewards, guys. So you don't need to be a pro streamer, just be engaging, talk to your audience, and have fun. So, how to make money on Poppo Live? So, here, guys, earn from live streaming. So, you can start a live stream and interact with the viewers. Here, the viewers can send virtual gifts, guys, just like diamonds and coins that can be converted to cash. So, the more engaging you are, the more gifts you receive. So here is a tip, guys. Join trending topics like dance, sing, or you can also do a question and answer to keep the viewers entertained. So earn from the referral program, guys. You can invite new users using your referral link and earn commission. So some referral bonuses can be up to 10 USD per friend. So share your referral link on Facebook, TikTok, and then YouTube for more sign up, guys. So by earning from VIP membership and events, some users pay for VIP access and streamers get a share of your revenue here. So you can participate in Poppo's live events and contents to win bonus rewards, like they have a contest here, guys. So you can also look out for weekly challenges, guys, to increase your earnings here. And then in withdrawing your earnings here, guys, you just need to go to the wallet in the Poppo Live app, convert your earned diamonds and coins into cash. So withdraw earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or other available options here. So minimum withdrawal amount varies, so check Poppo's payment terms. So they withdraw at higher amounts to reduce transaction fees here, guys. So tips to earn 109 USD per day on Poppo Live. So you need to go live daily. So consistency helps you gain followers. And then while you have your consistency, you need to engage with the viewers. So you can either reply to comments and ask questions. And the next is promote your live streams on your TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So when you have your Poppo, guys, it is really important, guys. You have your TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook also. So you can also have join trending challenges. So here you can get featured on Poppo's homepage, wherein here you can have more chances on having more USD here. So you can also use multiple earning methods like combined streaming, referrals, and then a contest. So here, guys, high energy, friendly, and entertaining streamers make the most money here. So as you can see here, guys, here you have this one. And here, guys, in Poppo, you can join or create a party room, guys, for group streaming with multiple hosts. And then the viewers can tip multiple hosts at once, increasing your earnings here. And then collaborate with other streamers to cross promote each other and gain more fans. So here, pro tip here is team up with popular hosts to grow your audience faster. So again, in the VIP membership, we also have the subscription. So they also offer premium content, private chat, or exclusive live sessions for VIP members. And then as a streamer, guys, you get a percentage of these VIP sales. And in the referral program, guys, you can earn bonuses for every new users who signs up and becomes active. So here, you can share it to invite new users. And then the live games and challenges. So the Poppo has interactive games where streamers can win extra bonuses. The viewers can bet, send, give, or participate in mini games. So the more interactive you are, the more viewers stay engaged and send tips. So here, host fun competitions or giveaways to attract more viewers here. So as you can see here, and that's it, guys. Now you have a learnings on how to use Poppo Live's features to make money and potentially earn 109 USD per day or even more. So here, quick recap, guys. Use live streaming in the party rooms to get virtual gifts, earn from VIP membership and subscriptions, invite friends and earn referral bonuses, try live games and challenges to boost engagement. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more many money making tips. Let me know in the comments if you have made money on Poppo Live or if you have any questions. So here, this is your own profile. So in order for you to get live, guys, it is very important to upload and authenticate it. So here, you just need to have a selfie of you and then what do we call this one? A number for you. And thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!